Hello, in front of me I've got MINI Countryman. In this video we'll check if this car has spare tire. In order to check it, take a look at the boot of your car. Unfortunately, we can't lift the floor of the tailgate because this is the whole one set of fabric that is going under the seats. So, if the spare tire is not in the trunk, let's take a look under the trunk. As you can see, unfortunately this car does not have spare tire. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.